In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for meeting agendas with dashboard, doc, or tasks. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable agenda you can open before every meeting, so everyone knows the plan and action items are captured clearly. First, open ClickUp and head to the workspace and space where you organize your team's meetings. It helps to keep all your meeting materials in a dedicated space, so notes, decisions, and follow-ups stay together. Once you're in the right place, make sure you can see the space name in the left sidebar. That's your anchor for the next step. Next to the space name, look for the small plus icon. Click it to bring up the create options tied to that space. This is the quickest way to add structured content exactly where your team expects to find it. If you manage multiple teams or meeting types, this keeps each agenda stored with the right group, reducing hunting and version confusion later. From the menu that appears, choose Templates. Using a template is the fastest way to standardize your meeting flow without rebuilding the same outline every week. Templates in ClickUp aren't just static text. Many include headings, placeholders, and checklists that work great for recurring agendas and action tracking. If you don't see templates immediately, scan the menu for it. Depending on your view, it might be grouped with other creation options. In the template library, use the search bar and type Team Management. Select the Team Management template when it appears. This template gives you a ready-made structure that maps nicely to a professional meeting, purpose, attendees, agenda items, and action items. After selecting it, customize the content so it reflects your meeting. Rename the doc or list with a clear title, like the meeting name and date, so it's easy to find later. Replace any placeholder text with your real agenda and adjust sections to match how your team runs meetings. Think goals at the top, time box topics in the middle, and decisions plus next steps at the end. If you prefer a document-style agenda, keep it as a doc and add checkboxes for each discussion point and follow-up. If you like action-driven tracking, treat each agenda line as a task within the template structure and set assignees and due dates right where you capture the item. Add brief context under each topic so attendees arrive prepared, and use comments to note questions or materials to review beforehand. That's it. You've turned a template into a consistent, repeatable meeting agenda, whether you favor a doc view or a task-focused list, so every session starts organized and ends with clear ownership.